Hello friends, welcome to Light Classes. In last previous lecture we have discussed about MCQs based on Protista and Kingdom Fungi. We haven't completed the MCQs based on Kingdom Fungi. So now we are going to begin with the MCQs based on Kingdom Fungi. So the MCQ is, which of the following statement regarding the class Phycomycetes is correct? We have seen about the Phycomycetes that they are aquatic in habitat, as well as they are having means they are living in a damp places, or they are living on a plants as a obligate parasite. We have seen about that, as well as we have seen the mycelium is asepted or coinocytic. Means what? If we say that mycelium is septed, so we can see this way structure. Here you can see this way structure. If it is a septed or if it is a asepted, then you can see in this manner a structure. So about Phycomycetes, they are asepted and coinocytic. Because coinocytic, why we tell it as a coinocytic? Because their hyphae is content of many, means the hyphae contain number of protoplasm with multinucleus. Okay, and if we talked about sexual reproduction in Phycomycetes, then they produce spores, as well as in asexual reproduction they produce the spores. In case of asexual reproduction, they produces the zoospores, which are motile, and non-motile aplanospores. And in case of sexual reproduction, they produces the two gametes. मीन्स द गैमेट्स आर सिमिलर इन द मॉर्फोलॉजी. अगर वो दिखने में सिमिलर है गैमेट्स तो उसे आइसोगैमस कहेंगे, और अगर वो जो गैमेट्स फॉर्म करने वाले हैं वो अगर डिसिमिलर हो गए तो वो कैसे हो गए? अनएसोगैमस और ऊगैमस. उसे क्या कहेंगे? अनएसोगैमस और ऊगैमस. ये था सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन के बारे में. और असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन के बारे में जूस्पोर्स फॉर्म करते हैं जो मोटाइल होते हैं, और अप्लानोस्पोर्स जो नॉन मोटाइल होते हैं. ओके, सो वी विल सी व्हाट इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस Phycomycetes. Okay, first option is, these are the found in aquatic habit and on decaying wood in moist and a damp places or a obligate parasite on plant. So this statement is correct. As we discussed, mycelium in this fungi is asepted and coinocytic. Yes, mycelium asepted है और coinocytic है. So this statement is also true. Asexual reproduction में क्या होता है? They occur a motile zoospores and non-motile aplanospore. So this statement is also correct. So the answer is all of these are correct. Okay, so we will begin with the next MCQ. Dash fungi is a parasitic on mustard leaves and cause the disease white rust of crucifers. Means we know that a mustard leaf consists of a number of white spots on their leaves. What is that? That is nothing but the fungi known as Albugo candida. Okay, the fungi which is present on mustard leaf as a white spot is known as a Albugo candida. It is nothing but the fungi. It is a parasitic fungi which causes a disease on mustard plant. Okay, next question is, the wonder drug penicillin is extracted from dash species of penicillium. मतलब पेनिसिलियम के ऐसे कौन से स्पेसीज से पेनिसिलिन मीन्स एंटीबायोटिक्स एक्सट्रैक्ट किए जाते हैं, निकाले जाते हैं. सो द आंसर इज पेनिसिलियम नोटाटम, पेनिसिलियम क्राइजोजेनम. ओके, ये दो स्पेसीज है, नोटाटम और क्राइजोजेनम, जिससे पेनिसिलियम से पेनिसिलिन या फिर एंटीबायोटिक्स एक्सट्रैक्ट किए जाते हैं. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन और द नेक्स्ट MCQ इज, in penicillium the asexual reproduction takes place by conidiospores. means asexual reproduction में बहुत सारे यहाँ पर ऑप्शन दिए जाएंगे आपको, जैसे कि बहुत सारे जूस्पोर्स और प्लानोस्पोर्स वगैरह, बट यहाँ पर असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन के बारे में बात की है. पेनिसिलियम असेक्सुअल मोड का रिप्रोडक्शन करता है एंड दे टेक प्लेस बाय कोनिडियोस्पोर्स, कोनिडियोस्पोर्स फॉर्म करते हैं और उससे कोनिडिया बनता है. ओके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन इज फंगाई प्रोड्यूसिंग 8 स्पोर्स इन अ सैक बिलोंगिंग टू क्लास एस्कोमाइसिटीज. मतलब क्या, यहाँ पर मोस्टली हमने देखा है, अगर हम एस्कोमाइसिटीज के बारे में बात करें, इफ़ यू टॉक्ड अबाउट एस्कोमाइसिटीज, दे आर ऑल्सो नोन एज अ सैक फंगाई. एस्कोमाइसिटीज को ही क्या कहते हैं, सैक फंगाई. इफ यर इट इज़ दैट द क्वेश्चन इज फंगाई प्रोड्यूसिंग 8 स्पोर्स मीन्स दे आर फॉर्मिंग स्पोर्स इन देयर cells, and except in ascomycetes except unicellular yeast, all are multicellular. They are multicellular. They may be saprophytic, they may be parasitic, they may be decomposers or they may be coprophilous. coprophilous मतलब जो काऊ के डंक में या फिर कोई भी वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट के अंदर ग्रो होते हैं. ओके. So the next question is, so the answer, fungi producing 8 spores in sac belonging to class ascomycetes. अगर यहाँ पर सैक आता है, सैक फंगस कहते हैं एस्कोमाइसिटीज को, तो अगर यहाँ पर सैक आता है तो आंसर क्या आएगा, एस्कोमाइसिटीज. ओके. Term used for closed ascoscarp is Cleistothecium. What is term for ascoscarp? It is a Cleistothecium. Why it is known as a Cleistothecium? So the ascoscarp means endogenously produced in sac-like fungi. sac-like fungi उसको क्या कहते हैं, एस्कस. जो भी sac-like fungi प्रोड्यूस होता है एस्कोस्कार्प से, उसे क्या कहते हैं, एस्कस. एंड दे आर ऑल्सो नोन एज अ क्लेस्टोथेशियम. ओके. So the next question is, which of the following statement is not true regarding the class Ascomycetes? अगर हमें क्लास Ascomycetes के बारे में पढ़ना है तो we have to know about Ascomycetes. What is the characters of Ascomycetes? So first we will discuss about the characters of Ascomycetes, that it is also known as a sac fungi. They are mostly multicellular such as penicillium. They are rarely unicellular such as yeast, Saccharomyces. They may be saprophytic, they may be decomposers or parasitic, and they are coprophilous means grow in a dung, as well as their mycelium is branch and septate means you can see this way structure of their mycelium, and they reproduce by asexual means and as well as a sexual means, and in asexual mode of reproduction they forms a spores conidia and produce exogenously conidiospores. मतलब फ्रूटिंग बॉडी फॉर्म करते हैं वो लोग. क्या फॉर्म करते हैं उनके रिप्रोडक्शन में, असेक्सुअल की बात करें तो फ्रूटिंग बॉडीज फॉर्म करते हैं, और अगर सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन की हम बात करें तो उसे एस्कोस्पोर्स कहेंगे, कि वो एंडोजीनियसली प्रोड्यूस करते हैं सैक लाइक फंगाई जिन्हें एस्कस कहते हैं. और एग्जाम्पल क्या है इनके, एस्पोजिलस, क्लेविसिप्स, न्यूरोस्पोरा. न्यूरोस्पोरा किसके लिए यूज होते हैं, बायोकेमिकल प्रोसेस और जेनेटिक वर्क्स के लिए यूज़ होते हैं. और मोरल्स और ट्रफल्स किसके लिए यूज़ होता है, इट इज़ एडिबल डेलिकेशस. तो अभी हम देखेंगे कि कौन सा है इसके स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग है. कोनिडिया आर द असेक्सुअल स्पोर्स प्रोड्यूस एंडोजीनियसली ऑन कोनिडियोस्पोर्स. कोनिडिया क्या है, असेक्सुअल स्पोर प्रोड्यूस एंडोजीनियसली. यहाँ पर ये स्टेटमेंट इसलिए रॉन्ग है बिकॉज यहाँ पर क्या दिया है, कोनिडिया तो फॉर्म करते हैं एक्सोजीनियसली. दे आर फॉर्मिंग conidia asexually in a conidiospores, but they do not produce endogenously, they produce exogenously. So this statement is wrong. यहाँ पर endogenous की जगह पर अगर exogenous होता तो ये statement correct होती, but यहाँ पर exogenous की जगह पर endogenous दिया गया है, so ये statement wrong है. So we will see another statements. Ascospores are the sexual spore produced by endogenously in asci. So it's true, we have seen that ascospores produce sexually spore and endogenously in Asci or in Ascus sac fungi. Okay, Aspergillus, Neurospora and Claviceps and other Ascomycetes fungi. Yes, this statement is also true. Mycelium is generally branched and septate in Ascomycetes. So this statement is also true. We have discussed about the characters of Ascomycetes. So these three statements are true, but the last statement or the first statement is a wrong statement. So we will move towards the next question. The given organism belongs to class डैश मीन्स ये जो ऑर्गेनिज्म है जिसकी पिक्चर हम देख रहे हैं वो कौन सी क्लास को बिलोंग करता है. सो दिस ऑर्गेनिज्म इज बिलोंग टू एस्कोमाइसिटीज class. Okay, class of fungi. We have seen 4 different types of fungi, subclass of fungi, that Phycomycetes, Basidomycetes, Ascomycetes and Deuteromycetes. So the answer is Ascomycetes. If you have seen this way structure in the exam, you have to write it is a Ascomycetes. Okay, which of the following statement is correct regarding sexual reproduction in Basidomycetes. मतलब सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन बेसिडोमाइसिटीज में कैसे होता है उसकी कौन सी करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है हम देखेंगे. उससे पहले वी हैव टू सी द हाउ सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन टेक्स प्लेस इन Basidomycetes. We have discussed that in case of Basidomycetes and Ascomycetes there is an exceptional case that they are having a dikaryotic phase in their reproductive stage. Means when they form a spores they are having a dikaryon phase. Okay, so we have seen about the plasmogamy. Plasmogamy occur by the fusion of two somatic cells of different strains. Okay, this statement is correct. Karyogamy and meiosis occur in a basidium producing 4 basidiospores. This statement is also correct. Okay, we have seen that plasmogamy brought about by fusion of two vegetative or somatic cells which result in the structure of dikaryote, that is known as basidium, and then this basidium goes further into karyogamy stage or meiosis stage in basidium, giving rise to 4 different basidiospores. Okay, now basidiospores, if we talked about basidiospores are exogenously produced on the basidium. So this statement is also correct. So the answer is all of these are the correct. Okay, now see the next question. Refer to the given figure and select the incorrect option regarding it. Now see here the structure of a mushroom. Which kind of mushroom do you see here? It is a edible type of mushroom. Means we can eat this mushroom. The other living organism can eat this as a food. So we will see here it belongs to class Basidomycetes. Yes, it's true. Mushrooms belongs to Basidomycetes. Mushrooms such as Agaricus, Eustylago, Smirts, Puccinia, Rust belongs to class Basidomycetes. Okay. Now the second option is it is non-edible poisonous mushroom. This mushroom is not a poisonous mushroom and it is able for eating. Edible means खाने लायक है या नहीं. So we can eat this mushroom. It is not a poisonous mushroom. So this statement is wrong regarding Basidomycetes. It possesses an umbrella-like basidocarp. Yes, you can see a basidocarp on the mushroom is a umbrella shape. It like a umbrella shape. So the fourth option we will see the basidiospores in it are exogenously produced on the basidium. So this statement is also true that basidiospores are formed exogenously on basidiums. Okay. So here the next question is select the option that correctly identifies the different genera A, B, C and D of kingdom fungi shows in figure. Now we have to identify the genera of different fungus. So this structure is of Mucor. This is of Saccharomyces. Here you can see the structure of Saccharomyces. This is a Penicillium and this is agaricus. It is a mushroom. Okay, agaricus is nothing but the mushroom. It is a penicillium, it is a Saccharomyces, and this is a mucor. You have to remember these names with the structure. Okay, now next question. Match the column first with column second and select the correct option from the given codes. Okay, first column should be matched with the second column. Edible delicacies. We have discussed about edible delicacies. It is a cockroach-like animals or organism which is used as a food. So edible delicacies answer is morels and truffles. Okay, experimental genetics as well as genetic works or in biotechniques, the Neurospora crassa are used. Okay, source of antibiotic, we know that it is a streptomyces and a penicillin. Rust and smooth disease is due to Ustilago and Puccinia. So the answer is A4, B2, C1 and D3. Okay. Now the next question is column first. Match the column first with column second and select the correct option from the given codes. Okay. Column first. Now here the example, the kingdom, classes of kingdom fungi are given, that is Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidomycetes and Deuteromycetes. You have to match with their pairs. Okay, Phycomycetes is a algal fungi. Okay, Phycomycetes is a algal fungi. Ascomycetes is a sac fungi, because we know that Ascomycetes are known as a sac fungi. Basidomycetes is a club fungi. Basidomycetes are known as a club fungi, and Deuteromycetes are known as a fungi in Perfici. Okay, so the answer is A2, B1, C4 and D3. Okay, now we will begin with the next question. Here you can see which one is the incorrect pair or match pair of kingdom fungi. So here we know the example of Phycomycetes are mucor, albigo and rhizospores or rhizopus, that is bread mold. And Ascomycetes, if we see the example of Ascomycetes, we know that Ascomycetes are Aspergillus, Clavius, Neurospora, morels and truffles. So this is a true pair, that Ascomycetes is Penicillium and Agaricus, Aspergillus, and Basidomycetes are Puccinia or Agaricus. And about Deuteromycetes, Ustilago and Calectrotrichum. Ustilago is a true, but Calectrotrichum is not a fungi. So this pair is a mismatch pair or incorrect pair of Deuteromycetes. Okay, the next question or the last question of kingdom fungi is select the incorrect match. Morels and truffles are Phycomycetes. It is wrong, because morels and truffles are not a Phycomycetes. Morels and truffles are of Ascomycetes. So the correct answer is, the incorrect pair is morels and truffles are Ascomycetes, whereas puffballs and toadstools are Basidomycetes. Yes. Early blight of potato are Alternaria solani. Yes, it's true. Late blight of potato, Phytoprothera infestans are the true. Okay. Now in next video we are going to see about the kingdom plantae. There were only 2 or 3 MCQs regarding kingdom plantae, 2 MCQs regarding Animalia, because we have to study separately the chapter kingdom plantae and kingdom Animalia, as well as we have to see the MCQs based on virus, viroids and some bacteria. Okay, so thank you friends for watching my video.